Welcome back to John Kleis Car Audio. Behind me is an Audi RS6 C8 model 2020. Gorgeous in its Nardo grey colour, and it has quite a few options, as you can see, with additional body kit the customer's applied. But what it didn't have is a camera to see the front of the vehicle, and I mean a parking camera, not dash camera, because this car has got multiple additions of body kit on, and the customer didn't want to hit his splitter on any low curbs or low walls or any obstacles he may not see through the windscreen, or even small enough items that the parking sensors don't pick up. So what we've done is we've added a parking camera into the original position the front camera would have been if you had the 360-degree camera system. There's actually a natural cutout right here below the Audi badge. We mounted our camera in this position. Nice subtle camera with a matching piano black finish just to match the actual grille, and it pokes through lovely in here. And this is going to give him a good view going down to this, making sure he stops before he takes out his carbon splitter or his additional ABS plastic splitter below, just in case one splitter wasn't enough. I'm going to show you how the actual kit works, because it all works with the original 10-inch MMI screen from Audi. Bar 360 camera system, this is the most factory option you're going to be able to get on this C8 and any other Audi SQ7, all the platform that runs these twin screens in the car, this is compatible with. So if I start her up, sound of the beautiful V8 starting up there. If I put it in reverse, that's going to give him his factory reverse camera, which you expect to see. When you take it out of reverse, the front camera is automatically going to come on and take up the whole picture. Now this is going to come on for 5 seconds, so by the time I finish talking it will off the screen. Now that is a chosen amount of time. You can have 5 seconds, you can have 10 seconds, you can have 15 seconds. Depending on how quickly you're manoeuvring and parallel parking is entirely up to you. Our customer preference was 5 seconds. So again, you put it in reverse, put it back into drive, and the front camera automatically comes on. If you're pulling forwards into a space and you think, you know what, I don't want to have to stop, put it in reverse, then into drive first, there is a handy hard key using a factory Audi button you can press to activate that front camera, which is the return key on your steering wheel. So I hold down this return key for about 2 to 3 seconds. The front camera now comes on and stays on for an indefinite amount of time until you push the same hard key again, like so. Just like that. Or if you select reverse, that will also bypass the front camera. It's as easy as that. And as you can see, if I go back into that image, if you haven't already noticed, bottom left and bottom right, this is actually his number plate. So once you see the position of a wall approach the number plate position here, you stop and you're about 8 inches from the obstacle, meaning that you can get this car really close to the front without cracking the carbon or the plastic splitter. And that is it. Front parking camera on an Audi RS6. We can also do this on all the other Audi platforms with this twin screen option with the 10-inch MMI screen. Any questions on this system or how it works, you know what to do. Drop us a comment on our YouTube channel, we always answer, or send us an email, or if you want something even more low-key, send us a WhatsApp message using our number on our website, and we'll always endeavour to help whatever query you got, whether it's this or anything else on your Audi RS6 C8 platform. My name is Colin in front of the camera, Max my cameraman, and all the boys at John Kleis Car Audio. Hope you have a good weekend. See you later.